Hi, I'm here to get you started with College Central Network and beginning to work on your resume. This is your dashboard, your homepage for College Central Network that you see right now. And the menu on the left-hand side provides our navigation in this program. So you're going to want to click on My Resumes. And if you're starting from scratch with College Central Network and building a resume, you're going to come to the bottom of the page under Build Your Resume and click Resume Builder. We're going to want to give your resume a name and click Build It. And the very first thing that you're going to put on is your contact information. So what's nice about College Central Network is that it will use the information you provided when you created your account to auto-generate this part of your resume. So how that works is we're going to come to the green plus that's beside contact information. I'm going to click the green plus, and here you'll see a preview of your information. Again, it's what you put into the system, and you can edit it here if you want, but if you like how it looks, you can click Add Contact Information, and now I'll see that that part of my resume has information filled in. If I like the way it looks, I can leave it and move on. If I'd like to edit my contact information in any way, I can simply click the pencil and it will bring me back to that editing screen. And that's all it takes to get your contact information in with College Central Network's Resume Builder. Again, if you have trouble with this, please feel free to contact CCV Career Services, and we'll be happy to help you out.